Hi everyone, I'm Wafa Lango and welcome you all in part 2. We will be discussing the usages of past indefinite tense. So let's begin the first usage of this tense. We use this tense for recent past. Recent past means which has recently gone now, and that is quite near past. Like we say, I saw your teacher a moment ago. A moment ago, maybe, 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, or maybe a minute before. So that is called the recent past. Like we say, we met the chief minister yesterday. Now yesterday is the recent past as compared to the distant past. So recent past means very close past, near, which was gone very near. And in the same way, we have got usage number 2. We use this tense for distant past. Distant past, that is past maybe 1,000 years before, 100 years before, or maybe 500 years before, etc. That is known as distant past. Now see, I say Allama Iqbal wrote many poems in 19th century. Now here 19th century, now this is 21st century. How many centuries gone? One and a half almost. So this is what distant past. In the same way, I say Christopher Columbus discovered America on October 12th, 1492. So this is also almost some 500 to 550 years back. So that is what distant past. We use this tense for past habits. Past habits, you used to do them, but now you have left doing those actions. Like I say, I teased my teacher a lot. Now I am a teacher. I really realize that what should be a respect for a teacher. So this is what that was my past habit. Now I have left. And in the same way, I say he abused every day in his school. For example, I had a friend, he abused every day in school. So this is what that was his habit. He was compelled doing so, and that is known as past habit. Usage number 4. We use this tense with past adverbials. Adverbial can be of manner, in the same way time and place. They are called adverbials, but time adverbial can be of past, present and future. So in past indefinite tense we will be using past adverbials. If I say past adverbial, so I does not mean manner or place, but I mean time. Like I say, we use this tense with past adverbials. Now I say I did my metric. Now in 2009 is past adverbial. He passed away 5 months ago. Now 5 months ago or before, that is your past adverbial. Hope you got these 4 usages. Let's discuss the 5th one. Usage number 5. We use this tense with conditional sentences type 2. You keep in your mind past indefinite tense is used in your conditional sentence type 2. What is conditional sentence type 2? There are 5 types of conditional sentence. When we started conditional sentence, we will be learning them there. But here, little bit I'll make you understand about second type of conditional sentence. Type 2 says that if this action happened like this, the result of it would happen like this. So this is your past conditional. I say if you worked hard, you would pass the test. Means you did not pass the test. If she played well, Pakistan would win the match. Here it is your past conditional type 2. And in the same way, we have got usage number 6, and this is the last usage. We use this tense for telling stories. Now story is telling, like I have got mouse and the lion, farmer and the snake. Now I will tell you the story of mouse and the lion and farmer and the snake. If you listen me, your all tenses will be in past indefinite. For example, mouse and the lion. Once there was a mouse and a lion in a jungle. The lion was sleeping. The mouse came and jumped on the back of lion. The lion caught the mouse with its toe and wanted to eat it. The mouse said, don't eat me, I shall help you one day. The lion laughed and said, how a little thing can help me. And the lion let the mouse free. One day a hunter came and hunted the lion by a net. Mouse came and cut all ropes one by one and made the lion free. So the moral of this story is what nothing is useless in the world. If I told you this story, if you keep listening to me, you can check that I use mostly these sentences in past indefinite tense. So when you tell a story, you will be using what? Past indefinite. Farmer and the snake. Once there was a farmer going home. He saw a snake almost frozen. He took pity on it and carried it in his basket and took it at home. He kept it near the fire, and after a while the snake started moving. Before it could bite one of his children, the farmer killed it with his stick. So this is what the story all is about, a snake and a farmer. And the moral of this story is nature can't be changed. So the two stories I discussed with you, this is all told in which tense? Past indefinite. So you can say that we use this tense for telling stories. Hope you got the usages of past indefinite tense. Wish you best of luck. See you next time.